This is one of the 8th parts of the sverchok selection tutorial. I refer to the Select Edge Rings function in Blender. A similar function node was developed in sverchok. First, demonstrate Select Edge Rings in Blender. You can specify one edge. Select the side-by-side structure corresponding to this edge. For demonstration purposes, import geometry from Blender using getObjects data. Import Edge Rings node using the sverchok import function. The node is used to select the loop structure in the geometry. First, the node needs to enter the base geometry data. Then, use the list input to enter the specified edge index. There are two selection modes for nodes. The edge mode will use the edge structure to select side-by-side edges. The face mode will use the face structure to select side-by-side edges. The threshold parameter is only valid in edge mode. Used to set the directional difference limit when finding edges. Values valid from -1 to 1. The larger the value, the fewer side-by-side edges are found. To see the effect of the selection, use index to mask to convert indexes to masks. At this point, we can observe the selected side-by-side edges. We can also specify multiple edges to select multiple side-by-side structures. The digital asset can be accessed through these platforms. Thank you very much for your support.